So today's video is a haul video. After a really long time, I have been a naughty girl and bought some things. So guys, what started this video is this bag full of stuff from H&M, and I thought I'd also add some like PR packages to this because I feel like there's some stuff I ordered from BlissClub, and then I thought it'd be nice to have more clothing stuff, so there's also some PR in this which I will show you. But yeah, I had a weak moment. I know I keep harping on how we don't need more things and I don't need more things and etc etc. But last week was a tough week with Mars not being well. Thank you all for your lovely wishes, and he's much better now. And in that moment, I was just browsing and had a weak moment. You know, I keep saving those things like liking them and saving them in my cart or whatever the heart thing is. And then I just went like, okay, I'm gonna get some stuff. And I got some stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna try it and see if I like it or like return some of it. So yeah, let's see what I got. Okay, so a lot of this was on sale, and I also had like those discounts you get as an H&M member and stuff like that. So the prices on them are not the actual prices, but I will put them here for you. The first thing is this pair of shorts. So these are like long shorts. They do have like the tie-dye effect, but they're obviously printed, not really tie-dyed, and they are a slightly thick material. I thought they were really cool and perfect for like my dog walking and my everyday current lifestyle, since you guys know I live in shorts. So I got these. Let's try them and see how they are. But yeah, liking the first glance. Then we have more green. I think I bought a lot of green. I don't know why I'm so into green. So I saw these track pants. First they were orange. I really wanted to get the orange, but then I thought the acid green looks really nice as well. They're a bit like lycra, not so sure. And also they look a bit big to me. I feel like I ordered a size small, but maybe I should have ordered an extra small. I feel like these are going to be big and might be returned, but I really like the color. Maybe I will get them in an extra small also after trying them. What do you guys think? I know it's a bit burnt right now because there's a lot of light. I'm going to come closer so you guys can actually see the color. Dekho, green. So this is a white ganji, just like the orange ganji that I bought. So I have an orange, like a light coral ganji like this that I bought earlier, which fits really well. So I thought, why not get the same in white, because it was also on sale. It's like a really deep cut, you know, ganji, and white ganjis are something anyways you use a lot. So yeah, this is basic and this will probably stick. Then we have something orange. Obviously orange ke bina haul nahi ho sakti. So this was one of the reasons why I actually got the checks in the green, because I also saw another pair of orange pants that I thought could be pretty cool. So these are like high-waisted orange, like, you know, not denim fabric, but that kind of vibe. And I thought they looked really good. Love the color. You guys know I'm a sucker for orange. So yeah, if these fit, they will definitely be kept. 200%, because orange is just orange. Moving on to the BlissClub stuff. So this is not an ad. Before anyone thinks it's an ad, yeah, I know they do a lot of promotions. I was also part of a similar promotion on Instagram, but I actually paid for these. So I love their, like, the tights, the full tights, and the fabric is really soft. So I did want to get like the cycling short variety, like the shorter variety as well to have. So I've ordered actually 2 pairs. So one is not for myself, it's for my best friend, because I love them so much. I thought I'd gift them to her. So this is for her, which is like the not the full length, but like the mid length, like, you know, below knee length of whatever they're called. Tights. And these, of course, the MRP is much higher. I bought them on sale again. The MRP is 2299, which it was not because they were on sale, so it was cheaper. We'll put again the prices here for you guys. I got myself these. Okay, so these are great. Again, for my dog walking, cycling, you know, just active stuff. Like sometimes I don't like to wear full tights also. I feel like with summer coming in now, I'm not going to be wearing like a lot of like long tights, even though the fabric is really light and stuff. I bought blue specifically because I already have black cycling shorts, not like this, but you know, just regular ones. Again, these have the zillion pockets and all of that, which is why they're great. Love the long form. Pretty sure I will love the short form as well. Now coming to this beauty. This is a PR package. I did not buy this. Full disclosure. Hashtag gifted before you come at me. This is from the lovely people at Advait, and that horn wasn't from them. But oh, look at the cute little bag that the outfit comes in. Like, this is such a lovely bag for like your you know, socks and underwear and to store stuff, right? Like, okay, so this is the beautiful dress they have sent me. Wow, I love the colors on this. I feel like it's going to be so beautiful once I try it. Thank God this is a try on haul, guys. Wait for it. Okay, that failed miserably. No, there's still more to show you guys, but the try on haul will come. But yeah, I love this. Thanks, guys. Next up, we have a package from Tura, which is from my friend Payal. This is her label, and she does really cute stuff. She used to do really good like kiddie stuff, and now she's doing like adult stuff, and you can also like twin with your kids and husband and all of that. So she sent me some of these really cute kaftans. Look at this one. So cute. Love the colors, love the dragonfly. It's going to come closer, you can see that. Pretty. And that's one. There's a pink one. How cute is this, guys? There's another floral one which is also really cute. So yeah, lots of pretty cute little kaftans. Can't wait to try all of this. Let's go. So guys, that was the try-on haul. Let me know in the comments about all the H&M stuff. What do you guys think I should keep? What do you guys think I should return? Do you think I should size down, size up? Let me know in the comments. And if you liked the video, obviously give it a thumbs up. Also comment below with your favorite items from the haul/PR unboxing. And I will see you guys soon. Bye!